Around Pennsylvania. Have a blessed week coming up. Till we do it again. Or 243 right down that way.
Y'all can come out and play now. SwitchBlade said he's going Trendsetter. Y'all can come out and play now. Yo, Trinitron9 Coney Island. Yo, Trinitron9 Coney Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand got down. Come out and play with your radio now. Everybody can come out and play with their radio now. SwitchBlade said he's going to sleep. I don't know if he's going to come back, but he said he's going to sleep. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. The man with the cornbread in his hand got down.
No, Trinitron, I'm not coming back. Good night.
Good night, SwitchBlade. Sounding real good. Keep it the good word. Catch you later. Bye, bye, bye. The man with all this cornbread in his hand. The man with all this cornbread in his hand. Your Trinitron9 walking on the water, riding the waves in these deep waters of Coney Island. The man with all this cornbread just got down.
Hey, bang.
I'm waiting on y'all to get your conditions right out there. I'm waiting on y'all to get your conditions right. I got cornbread all in my hand, but I'm waiting for y'all to get your condition right. SwitchBlade said he ain't coming back. So y'all can come out and play. Come up from under the bed. Come up from under the bed. Y'all can play with your radio now. SwitchBlade said he ain't coming back. Y'all can play with your radio now. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand, got down.
Hey, G, he said bye. Hey, G, he said bye. And so Survivor, the ones I got don't bounce. I guarantee most of you, no doubt about it. When you pay your cap, make a payment like a bowl suit, no doubt about it. Ain't got to worry. Hey, G, come make it feel bad. Hey, Mr. St. Jude. Hey, G, look at your radio. Hey, G, $243.
Y'all can come out from under the bed now. Y'all can come out from under the bed now. Y'all can get up from under the bed now. SwitchBlade said he ain't coming back. SwitchBlade said he ain't coming back. Y'all can get from under the bed now and play with your radio. Y'all can get from under your bed now and play with your radio. SwitchBlade said he ain't coming back. Trinitron9 Coney Island, the man with all the cornbread in his hand just got down.
Visa, MasterCard, and American Express Platinum Gold. Platinum Gold, Soul Survivor, pass the money to raise it, back it go. Good copy. 8790, real good copy.
I see y'all starting to come from under that bed now. Y'all don't hear SwitchBlade out here now. Y'all starting to come from under the bed now. Shame on the mess. One man. What one man can do in the band. Y'all can come from under the bed now. SwitchBlade said he ain't coming back. I've been eating cornbread all night, so it didn't matter to me. I had cornbread in my hand. Trinitron9 Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand, got down.
Oh, damn, that's a great thing. Bye.
I've been eating cornbread all night, so it didn't matter if SwitchBlade was out there. I was eating cornbread all night. That didn't bother me. I had cornbread to eat. It didn't bother me, but y'all can come from under the bed now. SwitchBlade said he ain't coming back. Trinitron9 Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand, got down. Dr. Love, they coming from under the bed now. Hey, Dr. Love, everybody coming from out of the bed, under the bed now. Hey, Dr. Love, Switchblade said he ain't coming back. Everybody's sticking their head up from under the bed now to make sure he's gone. Dr. Love and more Dr. Love, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down. Take care, Roger. Dr. Love, I heard some of that, man. I had some of those big skip stations in my ear hole. You know how that goes, Dr. Love. But yeah, Switchblade, he gonna take a nap. Switchblade gonna eat a piece of cornbread. He ain't talking right now. He said he ain't coming back. I gave Switchblade a piece of cornbread. So everybody's coming from under the bed. I gave Switchblade cornbread. So everybody's coming from under the bed. Take care, Dr. Love and the Good Time Gang. You're Trinitron9, Coney Allen, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Take it back out. He done got them girls some more vitamins in him. He done fed them more doses. He got them good now. Switchblade done fed them good. 243 dollars.
Hey, 243, I gave Switchblade a piece of cornbread. Hey, 243, I gave Switchblade a piece of cornbread. He said he ain't coming back. Everybody can come from under the bed now. Hey, 243, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
But you can't understand about it. That opportunity you want to do, they get that down here. Oh, dear. There you go. Damn radio. You don't understand what the hell they were saying. Hey, what pill? What you talking about? That kind of crap gives you a headache. Hey, what pill? Take care. I'm just saying.
Switchblade finished his cornbread already. He said he was going to bed, man. Everybody got happy. They were coming out from under the bed. They got to go back under the bed now. Switchblade didn't finish his cornbread already. Take care, Dr. Love and more Dr. Love, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Don't tell nobody.
All right, you'll be on the side, Dr. Love. You'll be on the side. I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread. You'll be on the side, and I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread. Trinitron9, just got down.
I never pop up. Where is the drum?
ShadowMaster with the wave, ShadowMaster with the wave. Good morning, ShadowMaster. Good morning, ShadowMaster. Welcome to another week, Trinitron9, Coney Allen. Get down.
You know how it is. You know how it is. The weekend just ended and everybody's looking for a little bit more time on their radio. Come on.
Yeah, well, I gave everybody a piece of cornbread, so that should make them have a pretty good week. Hey, ShadowMaster, I passed out cornbread today, so everybody should have a better week this time around. ShadowMaster, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. I gave everybody a piece of cornbread. I gave everybody a piece of cornbread today, man, so they should be good to go. I gave everybody a piece of cornbread. Take care, ShadowMaster. Your Trinitron9 riding the wave, walking in the water with a piece of cornbread in my hand, and I just got down. Right on, ShadowMaster, right on, ShadowMaster, and right on that brother out there, DH Land, I heard you also. Hey, y'all sounding good in Coney Allen, man. I'm just eating cornbread. Don't mind me. I'm just eating cornbread out here. I got 12 on the clock, and I'm eating a big piece of cornbread. Good evening, good morning, whatever the case may be. Yo, Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down? Take care, ShadowMaster. Take care, ShadowMaster in the good time game. SwitchBlade ate his cornbread. He back out here. He said he was going to sleep. I gave him a piece of cornbread. That cornbread was so good he couldn't go to sleep. So SwitchBlade back in the mix. SwitchBlade's back in the mix. He couldn't go to sleep if he ate that piece of cornbread. Yo, Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Right there, I don't take it, man. They take care. Oh,
96 making a whole lot of noise out here in Coney Island. 96 making a whole lot of noise out here in Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
He's on freeze. Yeah, here, 98, take care. Put on you later. Oh, 96, back right.
96 making a whole lot of noise in Coney Island. 96 making a whole lot of noise around these deep waters of Coney Island. Yo, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Hey, bro, what's going on, man? Oh, 96 with the late wave, breaker. SwitchBlade, 27.
Take care, ShadowMaster. I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread, man. I ain't going to be out here ghost talking. Take care, ShadowMaster, Dr.Love, and all the good time gang. I ain't going nowhere, but I'll just be eating cornbread, man. If you don't hear me, I'll be eating cornbread, that's all. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Miscontrol, man, you loud. Damn 12 o'clock whistle got me. You scared me. Oh, miscontrol, good morning to you. 96 right back, right up.
A96, look around Coney Island. A96, look around Coney Island. A96, look around Coney Island. Break.
Okay, miscontroller, take care. Appreciate the bump down. Hey, miscontroller, 96 back right.
Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Yeah, good morning to you. 96 with the wave. Yeah, right there, right back, man. The true folk better relent. I turn my stuff off. I bust a cap in this black glass. Yeah, true folk better be glad I turn my stuff off, because I bust a cap in this black glass. Bye-bye.
I gave SwitchBlade a piece of cornbread. He said he was going to bed. I gave SwitchBlade a piece of cornbread. He said he was going to bed.
No. I ain't doing that damn SwitchBlade. I said, true folk better be glad I turned it off. True folk better be glad I turned it off. If I didn't turn it off, I'd bust a cap on this black glass. Bye-bye. True or four always jumping on me. True or four always, JDI. True or four always jumping on me. I'm gonna bust a cap on this black glass, brother.
I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread, man. I'm just going to eat some cornbread. I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread.
Get your cornbread, get your cornbread, get your cornbread up. Get your cornbread. Get your cornbread up. ShadowMaster,
I gotta stay on my cornbread game, ShadowMaster. Hey, ShadowMaster, I gotta stay on my cornbread game. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Hey, ShadowMaster, I gotta stay on my cornbread game.
Oh my goodness.
And that's a ShadowMaster Trinitron9 Roger. That's a ShadowMaster Trinitron9 Roger. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. But I keep my cornbread in my hand. That's what keeps me strong. I keep this cornbread in my hand. That's what keeps me strong.
Take your podcast and sleep. Got the right amount of sugar, right amount of flour, and the right amount of heat. Let's go.
And I got it all, ShadowMaster. I got it all, man. I ain't going to bed. SwitchBlade said he was going to bed. He's still out here. I ain't going to say I'm going to bed. I'm just going to eat some more cornbread. I ain't saying I'm going to bed, ShadowMaster. I'm just going to eat some more cornbread. Catch you later.
Get that cornbread cooking, get that cornbread done. Go eat your cornbread. Go eat your cornbread, baby.
Right by 96, I got to eat my cornbread. SwitchBlade said he was going to bed. I ain't going to say I'm going to bed. I'm just going to eat some cornbread. Take care, 96, ShadowMaster, and the good time game. Trinitron9, go down.
Try it, Trinitron9. Take your mess out of real good. Put it down here later. 96, likewise.
Bye.
Hey, 98, don't say that. I think we're 501. I think 501.